Okay, this is just a quick demo of how to use GitHub's web-based editors for adding pull requests into the FDS project. I'll be using my testing for doc use project that I have associated with my Thunderhead ENG account, but I'm interacting with it using my personal GitHub account. So that this is like if we're logged in with Thunderhead and we come to the FDS project and we see a file that we want to edit. So let's say this text file right here. And so it says, this is some text, it refers to figures, blah, blah, blah. And so I'm like, okay, I want to edit this. So this will fork a project to my personal project. And then I can add into this, say, and then this is some more text. And we'll do a little subsection, right? So we can add in some content here, change things around. Then at the bottom here, just what we're doing is added, what it was, and you can extend it with, whatever. And so now you propose the file change, and here's basically your proposal, and then you create a pull request, and it's basically the same thing. You can add information here. This is kind of the full description of why you're justifying the pull. So the first part is kind of just a comment on the modification, but this could be the justification for why you think they should pull into their project. And it's just saying, they can be automatically merged and everything's going to work. So, um, there's a little bit of information here showing the changes. So then you just create the pull request. Okay, and now it says, good, there's no conflicts, but only people with write access can merge the pull. So now if we bring in, this is basically what Thunderhead would see, or I mean, what FDS project would see. So they would come in, they would see in here that there's a new pull request, and they can see it here. So they can go in here and say, okay, need some more information. They can take a look at what it was, that there's no conflicts, and they could comment back and say, oh, it's a good idea, but I don't like, I don't like what you did there, or I'm going to modify it slightly or whatever. So, but let's just say they accept it as it is. They can manage it and say, cool, confirm the merge. And now that change has been merged into the main project. So if I come back into pull requests, there aren't any anymore. If I go to the code and look at that section, you see now the original has this text. So it's very easy, through this edit the file through your side to create a pull request, make changes to a file, commit those changes, and allow the contributors, allow the FDS project to pull those changes into their source code directly from the web. You don't have to install anything or do anything on your computer. That's it.